Hi everyone, my name's Adam from the Garage Woodworker, and today we're going to make this quick and simple little ring keepsake box. Okay, so we're going to make the ring box out of these two scraps of redwood from the coffee table build. Now I'm just going to find the widest part of both the boards to work out how big of a diameter I can make the box. So I've got about 55 centimeters on this one and 65 on this one. So I'll probably go 60 and then make the lid just a little bit smaller.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop.
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like rating down below and hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a comment down below if you have made one of these before and what you did differently. And tag me in any photos on Instagram. I'll have links to my Instagram and Facebook down in the description below. And I'll see you next time.
Cause we're in demand now, make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to